And I assume that's indoors because I don't want to be outdoors, especially during the heat of the afternoon right now. Excessive heat warning in effect. You can see our viewing area there encompasses a few areas as well near the St. Louis region. But heat advisories extend all the way out to the west into Kansas and Oklahoma, eastward to West Virginia, and then south all the way to Florida. So quite a bit of heat here, especially for the middle of June. We have now reached that hump over there and now making our way into the second half of the month. 77 degrees in Mount Vernon this morning, 77 into Marion, 76 in Cape, and 79 currently in Sikeston and Paducah. Paducah dropping about a degree or so over the last hour. So actually making our way back into the 70s for everyone. It is going to be another hot day. The humidity will be a little higher this afternoon, but it is going to be a very warm day. We're talking afternoon highs in the upper 90s again, and then the heat index on top of that likely topping 105 degrees. But looking ahead to Friday, a cold front will approach from the north and actually brings a chance for a few storms, especially first thing Friday morning. Near that cold front in some of our southern Illinois counties bring the best chances. And that cold front is going to bring us some relief from some of the extreme heat for the weekend. It is short-lived, but we will take any break that we can get, that's for sure. Checking in this morning, we've got mostly clear skies overhead. Should see a few more clouds around here coming up later on this afternoon. That cold front this morning out across central Illinois back into central Missouri. And on the other side of it, there is some cooler air. Omaha, Nebraska back in the lower 60s this morning. Meanwhile, the state's capital in Springfield at 81. St. Louis at 83. Evansville, Indiana also at 80 degrees right now. So very warm morning temperatures and heating up once again quickly. Lunchtime temperatures lower 90s. Will top off about 97 degrees on average, and notice that heat index likely running about 105 to 106 this afternoon. Not cooling off very quickly this evening. In fact, waking up tomorrow morning once again into the 70s. Notice that cold front approaching though, and here's the chance that we could see a few storms. The best chances right now appear to be from about Mount Vernon to say Harrisburg, Shawneetown, and over towards the Wabash River. But once again, these storm complexes notoriously difficult to forecast. Something to watch though as we head into the early morning hours on Friday. Right now, it looks like this line of storms will be weakening as it moves in. That cold front settles southward though through the day, and we start to see slightly cooler air filtering in, especially into southern Illinois on Friday afternoon. Still can't rule out an isolated storm or two even into the afternoon hours. With the heat, with the humidity around, of course, there is a chance we could see a few stronger storms. Hail, strong winds would be the main threat there. Again, not a big chance for storms, but many of us needing rain, we can cross our fingers and hope we get some of those storms in here Friday morning. Heat dome shifts westward as we head into the weekend, and then it returns. That's a pattern very reminiscent of 2012. And you'll notice early next week, temperatures creeping right back near 100. In fact, by Tuesday and Wednesday, there are some signs that the humidity will not be as high next week. That's a good thing in some ways. It keeps the heat index values down, but unfortunately that also means our afternoon actual temperatures could be higher, triple digit heat likely by next Tuesday and Wednesday.
All right, thank you, Nick.